Hello and welcome to the Machinist TV. With us we have Mr. Deepak Sharma, Zonal President India and MD and CEO Schneider Group India. Thanks for joining us here, Deepak.
Thank you for having me.
Deepak, when we talk about Make in India, so this year in September we are going to complete 10 years of Make in India. So how do you see the entire program and how do you see group fits in this initiative too?
Well, first, it's a great day today for us because we announced the naming of our existing business L&T Switchgear as Lauritz Knudsen Electrical and Automation. Now, coming back to how the Make in India program has helped us and others, I think if you take the basic fundamental of how do we serve our customers, it has been an exponential growth by bringing technologies which were actually designed in India
Correct.
and made in India.
Correct.
So of course it helps us to serve our customers better because then we can build and sell products which are more close to their habits, to your usage, the climate.
Correct.
So it actually encourages. And of course manufacturing in India gives us of course a lot of cost optimization, not only for us but because we create an ecosystem of our partners around us.
Correct.
Which helps us to have an even faster technology development.
Correct.
Because when you are dependent on other ecosystems, developments are also dependent.
Correct.
So when you have Make in India, it not only helps you to manufacture, but it helps you manufacture by developing an entire ecosystem.
Correct.
And that ecosystem helps you to actually innovate faster.
Absolutely.
So it's a full chain, and again I think it has helped a lot, and I'm hoping that it will continue with the same spirit.
And by the way, first of all, thank you so much for giving us this information and congratulations for this great event that is happening today. Now, if you talk about the investment plans of the Lauritz Knudsen, you said 850 crores that you would be investing. So if you could bifurcate for this investment for our audience.
So again, we have said we're going to invest 850 crores in 3 years. And this is already month 5, right? So we're already starting 2024, so already month 5. And the basic, the two strong pillars of this investment is going to be on technology. How do we innovate and bring more technological products to our customers,
right,
including digital?
Right.
And we believe that the next phase of our whole growth is by powering our customers with more data,
right,
for which the digitization plays an important role,
right,
from how you build and how do you operate. So that's the first pillar of our investment, and the second strong pillar remains on the manufacturing capabilities, because to address the demands in India and for export,
right,
you need more production.
Absolutely.
So these are the two strong pillars where we're going to invest most of our 850 crores.
So if we talk about the manufacturing capabilities, as you rightly said, what could be the current capacity utilization, and going forward with the demand coming in, how do we see the expansions happening, and what would be the time frame that you're looking?
So again, we in Lauritz Knudsen we already have around 2.1 million square feet of our production capacities. As we talk, we are already building our next mega manufacturing lines to meet the needs of 2024. But that's not enough. I think the 850 crore commitment we made, looking at 2025 and 26, a lot of it will go in investment in developing 2025 and 2026 only. Now for 28 and then 30, you will need more. And I think as the economy and the energy sector is growing, this should only go up.
Deepak, when we see historically about the group's growth over the last 10 years, if you see, we have seen the group has grown organically as well as inorganically too. So going forward, do we see more acquisition coming in the next 3 years as a part of the strategy of the company's growth?
So I think as a company we have everything we need to serve the country, and I think our portfolio is rich and complete, and we have a very strong R&D footprint in the country as a group. So for me, I think we have enough. But as any other businesses, all new ideas are welcome, and there are teams who keep on evaluating things. So we will see as things progress. But I think with what we have already a very strong position in the country to continue serving the country.
How do you see the groups growing in next couple of years? Of course, the new government is going to be formed on 4th June. How it is likely to impact positively, negatively? What is your thought on it?
So I can't comment on
No,
the
no, don't comment on that, but your growth strategy.
If I can talk about the energy sectors or the need of the market, I think we have a very strong market. The way the infrastructure is being developed, I only see positive side. So from bringing energy, which is a crucial part of everybody's life, and this demand will only go up because we will need more comfort, more energy to consume. So this will only go up. So for me, with all the investments in the at the household level, per capita consumption of energy level, it brings a lot of opportunities for companies like us to grow in this country.
Thank you so much, Deepak, for your time and giving us this interaction.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.